Hello guys, in this video we will discuss what is DevOps. DevOps, you may surely have heard about it, but you need to understand the concept of a DevOps. There are a number of definitions you will get it on internet, but is that it? You are looking for it? I mean the right concept of understanding. And is it right to choose DevOps as a career? So let us start. What is actually a DevOps? DevOps is a word you will see on internet as a combination of two things. That is, dev and ops means development and operations. Now we need to understand what problem can be solved by DevOps. DevOps is not a software, it is not a tool, it is not a programming language. And for example, if you learn any programming language, and you will call yourself a DevOps engineer, this is not what you think about. Now the question arises here, if it is not all of these, then what it is? DevOps is a concept, it's a mindset, it's a way of how you work, how you make a coordination between development team and operation team, so that your product or software you designed is available to the people who need it. It is a concept of working ways to produce things from here, the development side, into the production side. Therefore, DevOps is used in application lifecycle management and making sure that your development team released updates on time and your operation team handles all servers, is working in coordination or sync with each other, so that whatever you want to give your end users will be done smoothly. Now what actually a big problem is resolved by DevOps? For example, if you are developing a small website or a small software or an app which is totally managed by you only, and the things are happening smoothly. You just design a website and it's available in next day on the internet. But what if when you are in a big scale projects like Amazon, Google, Apple, Facebook or Microsoft, when you are in such situation, you can't manage it only by yourself. You need a variety of teams to design and deploy it. Usually there are two teams, that is development team and operation team. Development team writes code, design new features. Sometimes testers are included in this team. When they are all done with it, life is good. Now on the operations team, they have to manage servers, scaling issues, analyzing traffic, bandwidth, tuning up security checkups, and have to take backups as well. Sometimes operation team needs high resource powers because of increasing traffic of that application. At that time, how they are going to manage them? Do they need to scale up or to increase RAM on the servers? Now here development team sends a new update to the operation team. What developers team think? That operation teams are sitting idle all day, and whenever development team sends them update, they will update it on the server immediately. But it doesn't happen in that, because operation teams are also busy with their work schedule, like managing, checking security, analyzing traffic, and also about scalability issues. And this miscommunication or misunderstanding between the two teams causes a problem, that is delay in development process. Now when your boss says what is happening, both teams blames each other. Now here comes a big problem, that when your client or user faces any problem, they don't know what is happening in the company. They don't care what is happening in the company. They just need a good service. And this problem can switch over the client or users to competitor companies, because competitor companies are faster than you and your company are in loss. Now here comes the idea of DevOps, which solves all these problems. That is, both teams sit together and exchange their ideas or whatever it is. Also sometimes share their role and responsibilities, so that every person knows what is happening in the operation and development team. Therefore everyone knows everything what is happening in the operation and as well as development team. And that is your DevOps. You will see that DevOps logo is represented as infinite cycle, because the application development is an infinite process. DevOps also focus on automation as well, which reduces the manpower intervention. Therefore, the persons are free and can interact with more people. DevOps engineer is not you learn a course like Puppet, Salt, Jenkins, and you think that you are a DevOps engineer. It doesn't work like that. DevOps means understanding what is happening in every phase of development cycle and understanding what is happening on other side of the wall. Now, sometimes a company hires a DevOps manager. Who is this DevOps manager? DevOps manager is a person who have an experience of merging the development team and operations team, and also knows how to sync them together and also change the working cycle of a company. Ultimately, the people who are working in the development as well as operations team, and ultimately they are themselves called as DevOps engineers. This was all about the understanding of DevOps, and I hope you find this video informative. Thanks for watching.